Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Awesome and great things happen over here, of course. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a little haul because I did some shopping. I know I'm not supposed to be, and I really told myself that I wasn't going to do any more shopping until Christmas and that I was going to start Christmas shopping early. Well, I guess technically that's what I'm doing. Okay, so here's a weird thing. One of the items is an item that I've had on my wish list for a little while. I would say over a year at this point. And I told myself that I was going to get it for myself for Christmas. But then here we are in October and I've gotten it. So life comes at you fast. That's my only explanation for this. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So first we'll start off with this package I received from a brand called A Scented Soul. They sent me this cute little package. Okay, I'm already messing up. Of goodies with these are basically I want to say essential oils, but it's more like the items that I received are like bath scrubs, sanitizer, body creams. It's like one of those type of companies, and y'all, I love it. I've been using it. But anyway, the packaging was like this, and it came all stuffed with this pretty little confetti, and of course their business cards. So let me just go ahead and take everything out first. I've already been using them and trying them out, and I have to say I really have enjoyed these products, seriously. So I received a body scrub for one. It's called a Love Scrub. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's been used because I've been showering with this. It smells so freaking good. It smells like I'm putting it up there as if y'all can smell it. It smells like peppermint and I kind of smell eucalyptus. Is that what's in it? No, I'm all wrong. So it has sugar, almond oil, avocado oil, olive oil, coconut, and a few other things. The thing about it is I like that I can read the ingredients, so I can pronounce the words, and that is what's important to me when it comes to products like these, because I'm very particular about what I put on my skin and how my skin reacts, because my skin can be sensitive sometimes. If it's a product that my skin does not like, it will immediately let me know. I received 3 of her whipped shea butters. They come in a package like this. And then I got the ones that are in baby powder, lavender, and the blood orange margarita. My favorite is this blood orange margarita. It smells so good. It reminds me of I think it's the orange or passion fruit or tropical fruit plug-in that it's literally, if you walk into my house, or my room or anything, that's what it smells like, and it reminds me of that, and I just love it. The baby powder one, this one has the aroma or the scent is a bit more, I guess, loud, you can smell it more, whereas the baby powder one obviously is baby powder and very soft, very it smells like baby powder, it's subtle, and I appreciate that for right out the shower or something like that. And then lavender, it smells so good. So upon initial application of these products, they look and they feel greasy. So I'm just gonna test this amount on the back of my hand, which is quite a bit, so I probably could use it on my whole hand. But when you rub it in, you see it comes off initially as kind of greasy, which scared me at first, but as I rubbed it in to my hands and mixed it all in, it's it dissolves in your skin. I don't know if that makes sense. So it comes off as really greasy at first, and it looks a little frightening because it is a little oily looking, but as it continues to wear into the skin, it's the skin absorbs the product and it leaves your hand or wherever you place it. It leaves the area feeling so smooth and smooth skin, and I was like, what? So I was like, okay, I really like this, and the scent is still there. So it's not something that fades away and you don't really It's well, what I'm even using something fragrance for if it doesn't really give me a scent. But the scent isn't strong at all. It's very wearable. I love it. So even now, like, as you can tell, it's already like absorbing into my skin. I don't know if you can kind of tell, like it's already absorbing into my skin. So I really, really like that about it, especially the body creams, because I was very nervous about that when I initially tried it. I didn't know what to expect. So that was really good. Now the body scrub, like I said, I have been using that in the shower like every night. I love that way that it feels on my skin. Like it makes my skin feel like I'm exfoliating, and it's a scrub, but it feels so nice and it smells good. I have nothing but good things to say about it. The last things that I received were these hand sanitizers, and she sent them to me in different like scents. So I have one in green tea and cucumber, eucalyptus and spearmint, citrus glow, and black cherry. These smell exactly how they sound, like so good. And another thing with the sanitizers is once you apply them, obviously it's a sanitizer, but once it dries, it feels like moisturized. Like it leaves your skin feeling moisturized. And I noticed that after I used it, so I don't know which one I want to use now. I shouldn't have put this cream on first, but it's like a little spray bottle, so it kind of just like sprays into you. I noticed that once I use it and rub it in, after it dries, my hands feel like I've applied lotion, but not in a sticky way or a nasty way. Like it feels like my skin has been moisturized. So I thought that was really cool, and I really, really like that. So I have to say, overall, I really appreciate the products, and I've actually been using them, so that is nice. The only thing that I could say that would maybe put anyone off is that they're scented. So obviously, if you know that is gonna be a problem for you, then that is what it is. But the fragrance is not that much for me. Just put that disclaimer out there. Other than that, love the products and say that they're a good investment. So there's that on that. And again, this is her card. It says thank you for shopping with us, a scented soul. And then here is all of their social medias and website, emails, and I'll also have their information linked below in the description bar. So moving on, the next item that I have here is something that I said that I was gonna get myself for Christmas in December, and here we are in October. Now I've been contemplating whether or not I'm gonna keep this in the box until Christmas, but me being me, when I get something new, it's like I'm either gonna go ahead and wear it and then put it up, or I'm not gonna wear it. Usually I'm gonna wear it and then put it up. So anyway, something from Louis Vuitton. Y'all know how I feel about Chanel and Louis Vuitton. Like, and obviously, because you can tell by the title, that is what this unboxing is, a Louis Vuitton and Chanel unboxing. So yeah, okay, here we go. Let's put it down. Here's the item. I'm really excited about this. Like, I'm really excited because I have wanted this bag for so long, and for so long I said I wasn't gonna buy it, but then I was like, I can't, I have to. Okay, so I got the Petite Boite. I don't really know how to pronounce it. I am from Texas, I'm American, or you know, from the United States, and we just don't pronounce anything right usually, so cut me some slack. But I got this bag. I love this bag. So a few months ago they came out, or maybe like last year actually, they came out with the soft leather version of this bag. This bag is made of, it's like the trunk style, so this is the handbag of their luggage version of this bag. I don't know, that's a lot, but I wanted to get that version. I was like obsessing over it, and I was like, oh, I need this to play, like it's gonna be so cute. And I was like, not my style. Like, I'm trying to settle because this is really what I want, and I finally got it. So I'm really excited about this purchase. Oh, it's so cute, and I've already thought of different ways that I'm gonna style it. So like I said, it is like the trunk material, which explains the price. It has a little buckle closure here at the top or in the inside of the handle, and you just squeeze it and then it opens. Now this bag does not hold a whole lot because of this trunk material, but it is big enough to fit a phone and like a wallet and like lip gloss or something. So this big. So it holds quite a bit, but not a whole lot. And like I said, I have the regular iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max, and it fits in here. You just kind of have to be particular about how you place it in the bag, and then it closes. Phone does fit. I would just only be able to place like a wallet, a lip gloss, and maybe something else very small in here. But it doesn't hold a whole lot, and I'm not tripping about it because honestly, my plans are to use this as an evening bag versus an everyday bag. And usually when I go out in the evenings, I don't carry a lot of stuff, usually just like my wallet, my phone, and like a lip gloss. Or if I don't have my, I mean, when I say wallet, I mean key card holders. So I don't take a whole lot of stuff out during when I'm going out for the evening time. This buckle is functional and it does adjust, so I thought that was nice. It also comes with a long strap that is adjustable as well, and it can be worn crossbody or over the shoulder. So this little strap just attaches to the bag. Let's see, like so, and you just kind of like wear it like this. So like I said, the strap is adjustable and can be adjusted longer or shorter, and it does fit crossbody. So I really like this. And then it has feet at the bottom, as well as this little, what do you call it, like straight piece, so that it can sit flat, which I really like. And I'm so excited about this bag, and I'm so excited to wear it. Like, you guys have no idea. So yeah, that's what we got here. Okay, so this next item I have not taken out of the box really yet. Really excited about her. As you can tell, Chanel. It's upside down, but it's okay. So let's go ahead. Let me just take it out. It did come beautifully wrapped, and I just messed it all up. So here's the nice, pretty bow and camellia that we all live for from a Chanel package. But we love her. So as you can tell by the box, these are a pair of shoes. There's just a receipt and stuff. How freaking cute are these? Y'all, I'm obsessing. So let me put this down. So these are the boots that I got. I have been on the hunt, okay, for some white boots. Like, I've been looking for some white boots probably since last winter. I don't have any, and I was like, I need some white boots. These aren't even like a true white. They're kind of more of a off-white color. It can almost pass for a very light gray, but it is white. And I love that the Chanel little logo, it looks like the earrings that I have, and it's, you know, understated. Like I like that the Chanel logo is very understated, but you know that it's there. It still adds sass to it, and I just think it's so cute. Like, I love the heel. It's like the perfect height. The leather is that smooth leather, and of course Chanel is gonna do a round toe, and I just like that. I like that it fits the foot so well. So another thing about this shoe is that the ankle part of it actually cuffs my ankle. So the issue or the problem that I have with boots is sometimes the part that the ankle part or the top of the boot will be a little loose, And I don't really care for that look of it being like the shoe is too big around the ankle part. I don't really like that. And it actually is the reason why I didn't purchase the Louboutin pair. I forget the actual name, but I'll have them somewhere popped up on the screen. Those were so cute and I was so close to getting them, but I did not like how they didn't really like hug my ankle, and these do that. Another issue that I will run into them is for boots that come up to the knee, or thigh high boots. If there's not a lot of room in the calf area, it's gonna be a no-go for me. So I actually ordered those Paris, Texas boots, which I posted on my story for you guys to help me choose, and they have to go right back because they don't fit my calf. Well, they fit, but they're too tight, and it's not worth it for me. So these actually fit my ankles, and it doesn't look too big, and it's not squished, so I can still wear jeans with it and it's still a comfortable fit. And of course I can like wear them with shorts or like a skirt or tights or something and it still be perfect. So I really love these. These actually come in red and black, and then this color, and I got them in a 39. So my boot size is usually a 39, sometimes a 38, but usually a 39 because I need the width. So there's that. I cannot wait to wear these. I do, however, see this part of the shoe being a slight issue because, as you can see, I tried them on. I tried them on in the store and I saw this, and then once I got them in the mail, I noticed the same thing. When I was trying them on, I noticed this part is kind of already bending, and it's expected. The leather is soft and you expect to get creasing, but I wish it was a little more structured right here, but I'm not complaining. It's something that's so minor and so it's really insignificant, so I'm not tripping on it too hard. But I'm loving this shoe. I cannot wait to wear them. I actually have a lookbook coming soon that I'm going to feature them in, so you guys can see how I style them if you don't catch it on Instagram first. So that is going to be it for this mini unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.